Meta's grand AI vision, the quest for general intelligence. Meta has revealed some exciting updates on their ambitious AI efforts. The goal to build and share advanced general intelligence that benefits everyone. They are combining their top AI research teams at FAIR and G9 to power this mission. These groups created state-of-the-art systems like the Llama language model. Now Meta is training the next generation Llama 3. And they are massively expanding compute power, with plans for over 500,000 new H100 GPUs this year. This hardware will support their quest for models that match and exceed human intelligence. Meta is also building new AI-powered devices, like Ray-Ban smart glasses, to deliver AI applications. It's a bold vision, open-sourcing groundbreaking, general AI to spread its benefits widely. Meta is going all in, unifying teams and forging ahead in developing the next big AI breakthroughs. Other tech giants like Google and Microsoft are racing too. The winners will shape the future of AI. Can Meta successfully democratize powerful AI? Or will it come with risks? Share your thoughts. The race is on to usher in the next AI revolution. Meta is betting big their general intelligence focus will pay off.